Gentlemen, imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning and feel it. That firm, full confidence you thought was gone for good. No pills, no pumps, no risky treatments, just your own two hands and a few minutes of precise touch that flips three hidden nerve switches deep inside your body. The same ones your doctor probably never told you about. As a urologist, I've spent 10 years helping men restore their vitality, and I can tell you, your body hasn't forgotten how to perform. It just needs the right signal. Today, I'm going to reveal three specific pressure points on your manhood and surrounding area that can naturally restore stronger morning erections. These techniques work by boosting blood flow, relaxing the right muscles, and sharpening nerve responsiveness. If you've been missing that automatic morning rise that once felt effortless, don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where these pressure points are, how to stimulate them safely, and how to build them into a daily routine for real, lasting results. Before we dive in, I want to hear from you. How old are you watching from? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one and do my best to respond. Now, let's talk about something most doctors never explain properly, how erections actually work. Most men think it's just about blood flow, but that's only half the story. The real magic lies in your nervous system, a hidden network of sensory and motor nerves that run through your pelvic region like an electrical grid. When these nerves are firing at full strength, they send powerful signals from your brain and spinal cord to the smooth muscles in the penis, telling them to relax and open up for blood to rush in. But here's the problem. As we age, those nerve signals start to weaken. They don't travel as fast or as strong as before. Combine that with slightly stiffer arteries, and you get the perfect storm. Slower blood flow, slower response, and morning erections that fade or disappear altogether. Here's where these hidden nerve switches come in. By stimulating very specific points around your pelvic region, you can manually activate the same reflex pathways that control your erections, almost like jump-starting the system that's gone quiet. These nerve switches connect directly to the pelvic nerve plexus and the sacral region of your spinal cord, which is the command center for male arousal. When you stimulate these points correctly, they send a surge of signals through that network, opening arteries, awakening dormant nerves, and reactivating the muscles that help you stay. Let's begin. Pressure point one, the base groove. The first pressure point is located at the very root of your manhood, right where the shaft meets your pubic area. If you slide your fingers along the underside toward your body, you'll feel a natural dip, a slight groove that almost feels like a hinge. That's your target. Beneath that spot lies a dense web of sensory nerves and blood vessel junctions. It's like a communication hub between your brain and your erection reflex. Here's how to activate it. Place your thumb over that groove while supporting the base from behind with your fingers. Press gently but firmly, not hard enough to hurt, but deep enough to feel the tissue respond. Now, as you do this, you might notice a subtle warmth or a faint tingling spreading through the shaft. That's not your imagination. That's your body's circuitry coming alive again. Do this for about 90 seconds every morning, ideally before getting out of bed or during a warm shower. Over time, this stimulation retrains your reflex pathways, restoring communication between your nerves, blood vessels, and pelvic muscles. Pressure point two, the perineum. Now for the second and arguably most powerful pressure point. It's not on the shaft at all, but in the soft strip of tissue between your scrotum and your anus known as the perineum. This area sits right above a key pelvic floor muscle, one of the muscles responsible for maintaining firmness by trapping blood inside the penis. When this muscle weakens with age, it becomes harder to stay firm. But stimulating this area can strengthen and reawaken it. Here's how to find it. Or lie back with your knees slightly apart. Using two fingers, press gently but firmly on the midpoint between your scrotum and your anus. You'll feel a soft resistance beneath your fingertips. That's the muscle. Now apply slow circular pressure for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you do, you may feel warmth spreading forward toward the penis. That's blood flow improving. For best results, pair this with light pelvic floor contractions, like doing a gentle Kegel, before or after the massage. This doesn't just increase blood flow at the moment, it trains your muscles to lock in firmness again, giving you stronger, longer-lasting results with time. Pressure point three, the corona ridge. This pressure point is located right where the head meets the shaft. It's one of the most sensitive regions of the male body, packed with thousands of nerve endings that connect directly to your spinal erection center. By gently stimulating this ridge, you're reminding your nervous system how to respond to arousal naturally. It's just like it did years ago. Here's how. Using your thumb and forefinger, gently pinch the ridge of the corona and hold for about 5 seconds. Then slowly release. Repeat this hold and release motion for 1 minute. After that, use slow circular movements around the ridge, steady, controlled, and never harsh. This gentle activation reconditions your nerves to fire faster and stronger again, sharpening your body's arousal response. When practiced consistently, this small ritual helps restore fullness and that deep, confident control that defines male vitality. These three pressure points, the base groove, the perineum, and the corona ridge, are the key to unlocking your body's natural erection reflex. When you stimulate them in sequence, you activate blood flow, reawaken dormant nerves, and retrain your pelvic muscles to do their job again. Just 6 minutes a day is enough to start seeing results within a few weeks. Subtle warmth, more morning fullness, and stronger, more reliable performance over time. Gentlemen, your body hasn't forgotten how to perform. It just needs the right signal to remember. You don't need dangerous pills or risky procedures. You simply need to reconnect with the natural circuitry that's always been there. So try this routine each day. And when you start to feel that confidence return, that quiet power that makes you feel alive again, remember this moment. Because it's not magic, it's your body remembering what it was always capable of. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below saying strong again. I read every one of them, and I want to hear your story. I'm Dr. Elena Ross, and remember, restoring vitality doesn't start with a pill. It starts with understanding your body.